It's another day for a new vlog. It's your girl, Nanay Del. Hello mga kadebsi. So, andito na naman ulit si Nanay sa pinakapaborito niyang pwesto sa kanilang bahay, ang kanyang kusina. This time mga kadebsi, again, this is the second time around na magmukbang si Nanay. Okay? So, mga kadebsi, pagkain ni Nanay, dinner is tinulang maya-maya na isda. Okay? Maraming vegetables, may okra, may eggplant, and of course, may malunggay, the moringa. Miracle plant, moringa. And I have also here the vegetables shake. Sabaw natin sa ating tinulang maya-maya. And of course, I have also here isang banana. So, let's start mga kadebsi. Kumain ng dinner natin. Mukbangers na ngayon si Nanay. Watch out. So, there you go. Malinis na ang kamay ni Nanay Del. Na-bless na po yung pagkain natin. Okay? So, manghinaot ko sa tanan na apoy gipanihapon ang tanan mga tao diri sa kalibutan. Okay? Ilabi na ang mga Bisaya, taga Mindanao. Mga kababayan ko, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, hooray! Andito na si Nanay Del. Kakain na. Ayan. So, baba natin ang husto. Ang unang subo natin ay para sa aking mga honest and sincere supporters. Ayan yung maya-maya isda natin mga kadebsi. It's really yummy. Hindi na sinanay din magkutsara. Sabaw. No need to use the spoon. Super yummy mga kadebsi. May okra. Juicy. Yummy talaga mga kadebsi. Eggplant. Super yummy. Tinulang maya-maya niluto ni Nanay. Feeling green. Mukha unta mga kadebsi kay para ta makaano mahimsog. Perting lamia. Perting lamia sa shake na moringa. Lami kayo. Lami. Super yummy. May saging tayo rito. Sobrang yummy. Super sarap. So, tapos na tayo mga kadebsi. Okay, before we end this video, pasalamatan ko po lahat ng mga supporters ko. Number 1 na po dyan, ang aking mentor na si Pinayam Engineer in India. Of course, Typhil Daughter Eunice. Okay? My sincere and honest kuya sa Team Giver, no other than Papa Ver Channel. The next one is Dominga Lifestyle. The next one is Lady Chad Venture. My CC Dear Willins, Willins Spalding Blessed. Thank you, Lord. The next one is Nining Arteta Family. The next one is Piangaw Mex Vlog. And the next one is Nanay and Dodong Channel. Am I correct? I really don't know if I'm correct, okay? So, the next one is Practices, Byudang Pinay in Bangladesh. And the next one is Surigao non and Nepal vlog. The next one is, of course, Madam Almasting. Okay? The next one is Family ni Phil. The next one is Jocelyn Santillan. And of course, the next one is Marilyn Bulaso. A simple video, Asmarin Vlogs, Menly TV, Habibat. Riverline, thank you so much. My dear Sisi, pagaling ka po. Okay, so sa Sir Mayo Vlog. The next one is Alice Reyes. Alice Nurse also. Mary Grace Mangapis. Rhea Helmo. Marilyn Bulaso. Jill Farts TV. TJ Puerto. Okay. And who else? Kuya Char Vlog. Okay, Kuya Char channel or that's vlog. Okay, so of course, hindi ko makalimutan yung pinakagwapa, si Bukid Vlog. Thank you so much, my dear one, sa support mo. Bye Vlog. Thank you so much for your love and support. Ma'am Sandra 44, okay, from Malaysia or in Malaysia. Thank you so much sa pagpadala ng mga you know already, okay? Thank you talaga. Bren Titit Rabago, thank you so much. And of course, Danis Vlog, thank you so much. And, okay, si Elsie Medina Mejia Vlog channel, thank you so much. And of course, Wing Vlog and Nepal, thank you so much, my dear Sisi. And the next one is Teacher Saiza Nepal, thank you so much for your love and support. Mr. Macapobre, thank you so much also for coming. Oy, Sir Tagaoma, shout out. Okay, Redin Osi, thank you so much for your love and support. Jana Official PH, thank you so much for your love and support. Hana, thank you so much for your love and support. And of course, Mary Jane Suzuki, thank you so much. Mary Jane Suzuki channel, thank you so much for your love and support. Liza Jane Caballero, thank you so much for your love and support. And who else?
There's a lot more.
Okay, actually there's a lot more. Okay, so this is the end of our video. So kung nagustuhan nyo, okay, ang video ito, please consider to subscribe, like, and share. So as we keep on saying, wear your smile every day, be healthy, be wealthy. We love you so much. Be positive always, mga kadebsi. God bless us more. So bye for now. See you on our next vlog, mga kadebsi. Bye! Sana po suportahan yung premiere ni Nanay. It will be aired tomorrow, 4 PM po. Thank you so much. Pansamantala magiging mukbanger si Nanay dahil nauubusan na ang mga brain of katipunan. Yung utak dito ng content na uubusan na po sila. Okay? So, sabi ni Nanay Del, mag-mukbangers na lang muna si Nanay Del for the meantime. Okay? So, there you go. Sana naman nagustuhan nyo po. Okay, yung pa-video ni Nanay ngayon, yung minumukbang na Nanay na isdang maya-maya na tinula. Okay, so much for that. Thank you so much, mga kadebsi. We love you all. Bye for now. Mga first timer, okay, wag po kayong matakot. Nandito po kami nakahanda. Same as we are before, hindi din po namin alam. So, ready po kami mag-walkthrough, mag-assist sa inyo. Okay, just be patient. Okay? So, kung sakaling mayroon like for me, okay, so baguhan lang po ako sa live stream din. I keep on earning knowledge pa sa mga matagal na, okay? So thank you so much sa mga taong andyan nakasupport sa akin, okay, guiding me through para magiging effective na host, okay? So maraming salamat po. Thank you so much sa lahat ng pumunta sa live ko kanina. Maraming salamat po ulit. So God bless us more. Thank you and we love you all. Bye mga kadebsi. Thank you. Bye.